Hey guys, today we're going to talking about how to use Instagram for a beginner. So if you are using Instagram very first time, so let's see how can you do that. You have to install your Instagram app. After installation, open your Instagram app. After opening, you have to enter or add your account here. You can easily create a new one. Once you have added an account, you can use your Instagram as well. So here in Instagram, your page will look like just like this, and here you'll get the story or the status of for your Instagram. You can easily add by tapping on this plus option here. So here you will get you can see your messages here, or sometimes it might be the message option in the top right corner. So here you will get all of your notifications which you received. If for the request or something else, here you will get all of your following, followers, your posts, or your friends here. So here you can edit your profile from here if you want to add a picture to your profile. So you can easily select that. So from here you can access your settings. So simply tap on the three dots or three and then the lines, and you'll get settings page. So you can change settings from there. If you want to search for anything on your Instagram, you can search for from here the search option. So you can search here for any username, any video, any post, any page here. So you can follow them. Or here's the Reels option. You can easily watch Reels on this section and your Instagram. So if you want to add a post, simply go to your profile option here. Just tap on this plus option here, and you have to select this camera option, and then select the post, story, reel which you want to add in your Instagram account. So this was a beginner tips to use Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.